Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the paint type because the solvent choice determines success. If water-based, use isopropyl alcohol. For enamel, choose enamel thinner. Once confirmed, ventilate the area and test the solvent on a hidden rim to avoid damage. Apply solvent sparingly with a cloth, let it sit 30-60 seconds to rehydrate the film, and then use a plastic scraper at a low angle to lift softened paint. Make sure to keep movements gentle to protect the glass surface. Once the major paint lifts, continue by removing residue and creating a smooth base. You should alternate gentle scraping with 400-600 grit wet sanding for any stubborn patches. Keep the area wet to prevent scratches. After smoothing, wipe the glass with clean isopropyl alcohol to remove oils and solvent residue, then rinse if needed and dry thoroughly. Make sure to inspect for feathered edges. If the old paint is thin but intact, lightly sand those edges to improve adhesion. You finish by applying thin, even coats of compatible glass paint. Thin layers reduce cracking and improve adhesion. Once done, follow the paint's recommended cure. Oven bake schedules for bake-on formulas or full air cure for air-dry paints, and make sure to avoid handling until cured. If you see lifting or poor adhesion after recoating, stop. The key troubleshooting step is to strip remaining paint entirely and restart with a primer designed for glass, because partial fixes rarely bond well to compromised layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.